Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Wings to Fly. In today's video, we will see the great rivers of India. So first let us see about rivers. River is a very important soft water source. Our country India is naturally blessed to have many rivers. Rivers start at the highest point in a particular area. It is very important source for fresh water. Rivers drain almost 75% of the earth's land. River is important because it's a habitat for many civilizations. For some countries, river is the biggest route of transportation. Rivers often offer recreational opportunities. Farming or agriculture would have been greatly affected without it. The rivers of India are also very religious and also very long that they are famous in the whole world. So first is Ganga. The holy river of India, River Ganga, is an important aspect of Hindu mythology. In Hinduism, the river Ganga is considered as a goddess who gives life and relieves you of all your sins. It rises from the Himalayan glacier Gangotri and has many tributaries including the river Yamuna. It starts its journey from the Himalayas and empties into the Bay of Bengal. Since the river Ganga flows in the majority of the land of India, it provides livelihood to billions of people. It supports the agriculture, fishing and tourism. Hindu festivals like the Kumbh festival is celebrated in the banks of this sacred river. People celebrate the Kumbh festival every year where the Ganga Aarti is also performed. It is the third longest river in India and also the most populated. Now the second is Indus. The Indus River is the greatest river on the western side of the South Asian subcontinent. It is one of the 7 sacred rivers for the Brahmins of Vedic period. It was the birthplace of the early Indus Valley civilization. It flows through China, western Tibet, India and Pakistan. It is one of the main rivers of the Indo-Gangetic plain. The river is 3,180 km long. It is Pakistan's longest river. The river has a total drainage area exceeding 11,65,000 km square. Its estimated annual flow stands at around 207 km cube, making it the 21st largest river in the world in the terms of annual flow. Some of the major tributaries of the Indus River include Kabul, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej River. Now the third one is Brahmaputra. Running through the states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh in India, the Brahmaputra River crosses international boundaries to traverse neighboring countries Bangladesh and China. Renowned as the largest river in India, the Brahmaputra River travels 2,900 km from source to the Union Point. It originates from Angsi Glacier near Mount Kailash in Burang County of Tibet, where the river is called as Yarlung Tsangpo. It flows further through southern Tibet and enters Arunachal Pradesh. Continuing the journey through the Assam Valley as Brahmaputra River and southward through Bangladesh, it merges with the river Padma. Thereafter it is called as river Meghna, eventually emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Now the fourth one is Yamuna. Known as the largest tributary of the river Ganges in India, the Yamuna River rises from Yamunotri Glacier at an altitude of 6,387 meters in the lower Himalaya region of Uttarakhand. It traverses the states of Uttarakhand, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh along its course of 1,376 km. It continues to flow till it merges with the Ganges at Sangam in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. The confluence of two rivers is a holy place to Hindus, where the famous Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. The river Yamuna is worshipped as goddess Yamuna by Hindus and is highly venerated in Hinduism. The Tons River is its largest tributary, flowing through Garhwal region in Uttarakhand. Now the last and the fifth one is Tapti. Flowing westwards through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat over a length of 724 km, the Tapti river originates from Gavalgad Hills in Satpura range of central Deccan Plateau. It drains into the Arabian Sea through the Gulf of Khambhat. It is amongst one of the three peninsular rivers in India that run from east to west, apart from the Narmada and Mahi rivers. The main tributaries of Tapti river are the Purn, Girn, Panjra, Boring, Waghur and Aner river. Legend that has it that the river Tapti is the daughter of Surya, the sun god, and Chaya, the goddess of shadow. Some major towns located on the bank of the river are Bhusal in Maharashtra, Surat in Gujarat, Betul Multai and Burhanpur in Madhya Pradesh. The river nurtures and supports wildlife in the Melghat forest, which is famous for its rich flora and fauna. So this much only for today's video. I hope you like it and we will meet again in the next video. So till then, goodbye and thank you for watching.